Welcome to Clarity of Concept. This video is about India and Malaysia relations for UPSC Prelims and Mains 2024. Visit our playlist on International Relations 2024 for all other videos. Malaysia was in news because India and Malaysia agreed to a significant trade arrangement that allows for the settlement of bilateral trade in Indian rupees in 2023. The agreement enables businesses in India and Malaysia to settle their trade transactions directly in Indian rupees rather than relying on a third currency such as the US dollar. Let us study about Malaysia and its relations with India. Malaysia is situated in Southeast Asia and consists of two main regions separated by South China Sea. Peninsular Malaysia, also known as West Malaysia, and East Malaysia, located on the island of Borneo. Peninsular Malaysia is bordered by Thailand to the north and Singapore to the south. It is flanked by the Straits of Malacca to the west and the South China Sea to the east. Capital Kuala Lumpur is located on Peninsular Malaysia. On the island of Borneo, Malaysia borders Indonesia to the south and Brunei to the north. The key water bodies around Borneo are South China Sea to the northwest, the Sulu Sea to the northeast, and the Celebes Sea to the east. Borneo is the third largest island in the world. It is shared by three countries: Malaysia, Indonesia, and Brunei. It is known for its dense rainforests and rich biodiversity, including unique species. Borneo is home to one of the oldest rainforests in the world, estimated to be around 140 million years old. Mount Kinabalu, located in Malaysian region of Borneo Island, is the highest peak on the island at 4095 meters. East Malaysia has more extensive and prominent mountain ranges compared to Peninsular Malaysia. Malaysia is strategically located. It is bordered by Strait of Malacca. It is a crucial maritime passage connecting the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. It is vital for global trade, with about 25% of the world's traded goods passing through it, including significant oil shipments. Malaysia also borders South China Sea, which is very rich in hydrocarbons and other resources. India's trade with China, Japan, Korea, and other oceanic countries pass through this route. India and Malaysia signed comprehensive economic cooperation agreement in 2011. It aims to enhance economic cooperation between the two countries, covering trade in goods, services, investment, and economic cooperation. It includes tariff reductions, trade facilitation measures, and provisions for the protection and promotion of investments. And in 2023, rupee trading agreement was signed as explained in the beginning of this video. India and Malaysia have a bilateral trade of around $19.9 billion as in 2022-23. India exported around $7.15 billion to Malaysia, but Malaysia exported around $12.73 billion to India. That means Malaysia exported more to India than it imported and hence has a trade surplus of around $5.58 billion. India mainly exports machinery and equipment, textiles, pharmaceuticals, etc. India's major import from Malaysia is palm oil. India is one of the largest importers of palm oil and a significant portion comes from Malaysia. Palm oil is essential for India's food industry. Huge domestic demand of palm oil is met through imports, thereby stabilizing domestic prices. India also imports electrical and electronic goods in significant numbers from Malaysia. Malaysia is a member of ASEAN. Hence, it is very important for India's Act East policy and India-ASEAN relations. India and Malaysian armies conduct a joint military exercise called Harimau Shakti, and navies of India and Malaysia conduct exercise Samudra Lakshmana. Last but not the least, Malaysia was also in news for 10 years of unsolved mystery of MH370 flight that is still not discovered. A Netflix documentary on it made it resurface on news. Penang Island, located off the northwest coast of peninsular Malaysia, can be noted in this regard. Visit clarityofconcept.com for summary of this video along with all other videos. Thank you for watching and subscribe to Clarity of Concept.